You love me?
Never. That's how much she misses me.
Yes.
Sure.
Pero dahil sa inyo, maraming salamat sa umpisa na andyan. Nagkakainis si Dada. Sabi ko sa kanya, dinala kanya si Sofia sa taas, pinatulog, kasi gumising. Tapos, nagkasagutan pa naman kami sa TV kasi super lakas ng TV. Aakit siya, sabi ko, hinaan muna, bago umakyat kasi hindi mo naman alam kung bababa ka agad. So, antay ako na antay, 2 oras na. Yung TV, ang super lakas, nandito ako sa baba. Tapos, pinantayan ko akala ko natulog na, doon sa tabi ni Sofia. Wala na, diba, yung patres. So, paano siya, sus, yung tinignan ko, hindi ko dinala yung camera. Nakaupo sa, sa rocking chair, tapos tumitingin ng, sa iPad niya, nag-YouTube. So, sabi ko, ba't di ka po bumaba? Tapos sabi niya, akala doon niya din, matutulog na ako sa bed. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal, ha? Ewan ko anong ginagawa pa niya doon. Parang iniiwasan ako. Dada? No, not yet.
Thought you was asleep.
What, asleep?
Be on your computer or doing whatever you do on.
I'm doing something on my phone. I'm editing, but you did not come back. The TV was so loud.
It wasn't loud.
I left it loud for you.
I didn't hear it first.
You deaf. That's that.
Okay.
Dada, who's getting fatter, you or me?
You.
I'm not the one who's eating.
You.
Am I, Dada? True, Dada, true. Did I lose weight?
When I met her, she was 58 kilos. She's now 68.
Not that way. I've just had a child.
2 years ago.
Yeah?
Could easily lose 10 kilos in 2 years.
Over naman. Don't love me anymore?
Always.
You love me?
Never.
No. Dada, I missed you. Sabi,
No, you don't.
I miss you. I miss you, Dada. I'm going to show the world that I miss you.
That's how much she misses me.
Yes, only that.
And it's me a little bit. Move away, I'm gonna kiss you. See, said that. Look me. See?
Proper kiss naman. That was just...
Oh, proper kiss. I give you a proper kiss.
No. You like Sophia. I think Sophia got it from you. You hungry?
Just a snack. Chicken piece.
Okay. No! Don't do that. Come on, let's...
Just wasting your video. Yeah.
You look handsome today.
because I've not shaven.
You look younger also.
You don't say that when I've shaved.
You've shaved, yeah?
No. You know, I shaved.
Dada. Dada.
What?
My ex just texted me.
Why would he text you after so many years?
Just to say hi.
You don't talk to him.
Why would I not?
You get jealous when I talk to mine.
It's different.
What's so different about that? Hmm?
I don't know what you're going to do.
Not my ex-wife. No.
Yeah, he texted me. Said, how am I? Oh, is it okay if I talk to him?
No.
He said if we go to the Philippines, we will meet up.
Like hell.
He's not allowed it? Dada? You will not allow it, Dada?
No.
Friend man, we will be there.
Turn it off.
Okay, I will tell him not to then. My husband is jealous. There's a thing in the eye. Are you angry, Dada? You're never jealous.
Magagawa, laging natutulalas.
Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Drama-drama pamanggod ko ba? Huh? Hindi, Dada's angry yan. Can never go home in the Philippines alone.
Well, you can. Just don't take Sophia, that's all.
Hush, Via's always with me.
Sophia stays here with me if you go on your own.
Huh? If I what?
If you go on your own, she stays here with me.
Go with me, Go with me, Nadaya. Always, Sophia looking for you, oy.
That's why she stay here with me.
And she looks also for me.
No.
She looks for me. Okay. Okay, Dada, let's say goodbye na. Good night.
Bye.
Someone is pissed off. You pissed off?
We don't talk about exes.
I was just to get your reaction in the camera.
We don't talk about exes.
Nah.
So she will delete this one.
No, I will not.
If I see this, there'll be hell.
Nah, Dada, come on. It's just a prank.
We don't talk about exes.
It's just a prank.
Don't care.
Eh. Kina mga lalabs, babay na mga lalabs. Kisapot na siya. Kisapot na siya mga lalabs. Bye. Ako sa rin paulian, ha? Bye mga lalabs. Good night. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi mga lalabs! Welcome back sa aming channel. So, ginawa ko tong video. Very short video lang to. Para po magpasalamat sa lahat ng... Teka lang. So, magpasalamat ako sa lahat ng subscribers at mga lalabs na andyan at palaging nanonood sa aming channel. Finally, nag-reach na po tayo ng 30,000 bananas. So, I'm very, very happy. Normally, andito si Bana, sabi nga niya sa akin, he was about to buy some flowers sa garage. Kaso lang daw, walang bulaklak para daw i-celebrate namin yung aming channel na nag 30,000 na finally, akala ko next year pa siya magti 30,000. Pero dahil sa inyo, maraming salamat sa umpisa na andyan na nanonood sa aming channel sa panahon ni Kuya Charlie, sa aking mga YouTubers na kasama, sa aking YouTube friendship, Pinay vloggers in Netherlands, sa lahat ng mga kakilala ko, mga relatives, family, sa mama ko at papa ko, sa kapatid ko, si Marting Maldito. Thank you. Sa family ni Bana, yung asawa ko na laging iniintindi ang aking passion at pagmamahal sa pagva-vlog kahit nagkalisod-lisod na ako. Pero kailangan ko talaga i-open yung camera kahit na minsan din gusto na niyang kumain. Kailangan ko pang picturean or i-open yung camera para lang i-share ko sa inyo, sa inyong lahat. At saka, basta, sobra-sobra. At saka, minsan din, kailangan kong matulog kasi super puyat sa trabaho. And ngayon, dapat sana andito si Bana, pero nagpapatulog siya ni Sofia. So, kailangan ko tong gawin ngayon kasi ngayon tayo ng 30,000. Hindi ko alam kung kailan matutulog si Sofia. So, hindi pa bumaba si Bana. And finally, sa lahat ng mga team blended dyan, mga blenders. Hi, mga blenders. Thank you sa inyo. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi mabubuo yung aking 30,000 na subscribers. Sa mga bisdak dyan na nagko-comment, sa mga, sino pa ba? Lahat siguro, hindi ko kayo ma-shout out ng lahat. Basta, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Hindi ko kayo maisa-isa lahat. Sobrang happy lang kasi 30,000, imagine mo yan. Ang tagal ko na ding nag-YouTube. Tapos ngayon, nabuo ko na finally. Ito yung aking journey. So, sobrang tuwa ko. Sana hindi kayo magbago. Dito lang ako. Hindi ako magbabago. And sana hindi kayo magsawa sa kakapanood ng aking mukha at saka mukha namin. Ginawa ko ang pag-vlog dahil gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung aking buhay at una-una talaga yung memories ko kay Sofia. Yun talaga yung pinaka-una-una kong rason kung bakit ako nag-vlog. Tapos, makita ng aking mama at papa yung mga vlogs namin dito sa Netherlands. Kasi, di ba malayo ako sa kanila. Kaya, isa yun sa rason, yung memories na ginagawa ko, vlog ko araw-araw para yun sa anak ko. Shout out ako dito, back to, sa lahat ng comment dun sa video ko with Steph, yung makikita ko na yung team blended. Yun, eto yun sila. Magkikita kami ng team blended. Yun. Eto, shout out to Adela Destajo of Tagum City, Carolina Andres. Shout out to Lily Austria, Norway. Mayra Bolton, Maria Concepcion Ismael, Norma Brihonio. Shout out to Melly Gonzalo, Mama Mameth, Aimee Raval, Lourdes Galang. Shout out to Family Ritzma, Mama Violi and Mira. Hi! Happy watching. To Joe Beleza from Cavite. To Maridi Mangaring. Lucy's Lifestyle Journal. Emily John Corda. Felino, Merino, Alma Mendoza, Maarting Maldito. Of course, yung kapatid ko. Please subscribe po ninyo. Si Annie Osena, si Inday Kamote, Mi Amor FLM29. Of course, yung ating kaibigan, Frau Jen. Hello dyan. At saka kay Frank. Hello sa inyo dyan sa Germany. And Maricel Sarceno, Dolce Solomo, Madel Ilocana Channel, Gigi and Laika Vlogs, Corazon Santosildes, tama ba? Sito Soriano, Call Me Kiss, They Call Me Vina, Esterlina Marcelo, It's Me Carrie, TFS Gaming Channel, Coming Channel, ano ba yan? Sorry. Hannah Martin, Nolet Mahusay, and shout out to Remy V. Eric Laura from The Hague sa Netherlands, Love in Scotland, Meza Lo, Marivic Villame, and Ana Pana. So, yun lang muna mga lalabs. So, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe, again and again, hindi ako magsasawang magsabi sa inyo, please click the subscribe button. Like, kailangan ko po yung like ninyo. You can follow me in TikTok, It's CNNL, at saka yung aking Facebook channel na It's CNNL. Tapos, pag nag-claim kayo, pwede din ninyong i-claim, mag-message kayo sa akin dun sa It's CNNL sa Facebook. Yan po yung aking Facebook page. So, yun lang mga lalabs. Stay safe and good night!
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지